Hello guys, welcome to my video. Today I'll be showing you how to check which car you can afford on Webuycars. First of all, I would like you to know that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not qualified in any way to be a financial advisor. I'm just sharing with you a little knowledge that I have. So let's go. So here on this website, if on the landing page, there is this button here which you can click. It's written what can I afford. When you click on this button, it will take you to a specific a page that you can enter your details and check which car you can afford. So without wasting any time, let's go. So when you click there, this way you'll be car affordability calculator. Get a personalized accurate calculation of what you can afford with MFC. If you don't know MFC is a division of Netbank. If you check their website, you can just check MFC on Google. uh, they also have some nice cars there. They do have auctions for repossessed cars. So this will be done in 3 steps. When we click start process here, you first step is you identify yourself on the MFC website, calculate what you can afford using your actual details, browse through the sorry, you will go through the vehicles you can afford after you have calculated using your actual details. So how it's done, you provide the MFC with the ID number, how much you earn each month, how much you spend each month. So MFC does a credit check and runs the numbers to see how much you could spend each month and what finance amount you are likely to get approved for. So the benefit of calculating what you can afford is that this affordability calculator through MFC, a division of Netbank, will calculate what you can afford for a vehicle. After completing the calculation, you will be able to browse vehicles according to what you can afford. And this is nice. So let's go start the process. So here I'll be using my dummy details for demonstration purpose. So invalid. So after filling in your details here, you come to consent. Please read the following and indicate if you consent or not. If you do not consent, we cannot give you pre-qualification approval. So to consent is to agree or to not agree. If you agree, you come here. Obviously I'll advise you to agree because you want to calculate. If you don't click this, you won't be able to calculate how much car you can afford. So you come here, also you agree to the terms and condition. Make sure you do read your terms and condition. So here there is a disclaimer. You can go on and read for yourself. So you come here and say authorize. On here they will send a USSD through the number that you have provided. So you will receive a USSD that looks like this. I'll display it on the screen. So yeah, once you click yes on your phone, it should proceed. So once you click yes, so this the page that it will redirect you to. So here you fill in your details. So here you'll just put in your dummy data. So once you fill in the dummy data, you come here and calculate. So this will calculate the amount on which you can afford based on the details that you have given. So based on my details that I've provided, my dummy details, the possible amount for a loan that I qualify for is 181 and 879. So possible monthly payment up to 4,085. So with this, I can go on and browse the vehicle within my ranges here. So yeah guys, this is it from me. Until next time.